20 Amazon Electronic Gadgets Hot Deals, most purchased in September 2025. Smart projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Enjoy instant autofocus and crystal clear images in seconds. It will automatically correct any keystone distortion within a range of vertical plus or minus 30 degrees, divided by horizontal plus or minus 15 degrees. Zoom from 50% to 100% without needing to move the movie projector. Plus, it has auto obstacle avoidance and auto screen alignment, so the image always fits perfectly on the screen, no matter how you position the projector or the size of the projector screen. Outdoor Wi-Fi 6 extender, featuring 6x7 dBi omnidirectional antennas and 2 built-in high-power amplifiers, this device enhances Wi-Fi coverage and penetration outdoors. It also supports mesh technology, enabling one-click connection of more devices to effectively expand Wi-Fi coverage. Router divided by AP mode is ideal for converting wired connections into wireless networks, while under mesh mode, you can enjoy seamless Wi-Fi with a single network name and password. Portable travel router. Slate-AX offers powerful Wi-Fi 6 network connection with a dual-band combined Wi-Fi speed of 1,800 megabits per second. Enhance Wi-Fi performance with MU-MIMO, OFDMA, BSS color, and able to connect to up to 120 devices simultaneously. IPv6 supported, OpenVPN and WireGuard pre-installed, compatible with 30+ VPN service providers, OpenVPN speed up to 120 megabits per second, WireGuard speed up to 550 megabits per second. Cloudflare encryption, supported to protect the privacy. Cellular Gateway 5 grams. Experience lightning-fast 5-gram speeds under both NSA and SA standards. Dual SIM flexibility for selecting the stronger and faster ISP connection and automatic failover. Compatible with 4 grams LTE and 3 grams networks. AT&T and T-Mobile certificated. Provides pre-installed OpenVPN and WireGuard to support 30+ VPN services and encrypts all network traffic within the connected network so that the network is secured when connecting to a public Wi-Fi. Wireless Lavalier microphone. This professional wireless lapel microphone is easy to operate, requiring no Bluetooth or app. Simply plug the receiver into your phone and turn on the microphone for automatic pairing. Equipped with advanced DSP noise reduction chips, it effectively reduces background noise, ensuring clear and clean audio for your videos. Designed for portability, this small and lightweight lapel microphone wireless can be handheld, clipped to clothing, or magnetically attached for convenient use in any environment. The iPhone microphone offers stable transmission within a range of 164 feet in open areas. Wireless microphone. BOYAMini wireless lavalier microphone weighs only 5 grams like a pod, making it a good partner on the go. BOYA small lapel microphone is a portable wireless microphone that can be stored in a camera bag, pocket, backpack, small handbag, etc. Lossless CD quality sound provides a professional recording device. BOYAMini wireless microphone with a one-click button for adjusting noise reduction levels helps to cut off noise interference. With DSP noise cancellation technology, ensures your voice clear in any scenario. The microphone maintains clarity at a maximum sound pressure level of 120 decibels, making it ideal for recording in high-pitched environments. Portable Bluetooth speaker. Bring the party to life with 240 watts of booming sound that delivers deep, punchy bass and crystal clear highs. Perfect for outdoor parties, indoor gatherings, or any event where music takes center stage. Featuring a sleek design, this speaker not only sounds amazing, but also looks stunning. The multicolor LED lights sync to your music, creating a club-like atmosphere that keeps the energy high all night long. Security cameras wireless outdoor. The home base is built-in 32 gigabytes. Local storage holds up to 2 months of loop recordings for 4 cameras. Access all features with no extra charges. Your data stays secure, encrypted with advanced privacy standards, and easily accessible anytime. Stay in control anytime, anywhere. View live feeds from up to 4 cameras simultaneously on your smartphone and get instant alerts for key activities. Effortlessly monitor every corner of your property in real time. Security cameras wireless outdoor. With a removable solar panel and its rechargeable battery, experience always-on solar camera security outdoor. Control solar security camera pan and tilt to view your world from every angle. Capture every event that occurs around your home in ultra-clear 2 Kelvins resolution. The powerful white spotlight and built-in infrared LED array can help you capture colorful pictures and videos at dark, see any corner you want to monitor, let you sleep peacefully. Portable Printers Wireless. This inkless portable printer fits easily into a backpack or briefcase, ideal for on-the-go printing during business travel, in car or truck, small office, construction site, school, and home use. You can print documents, contracts, invoices, receipts, and boarding passes anytime, anywhere. The portable thermal printer compatible with iPhone, Android phone, iPad, tablet via Bluetooth. Print documents, photo, web pages from your phone anytime, anywhere. You can also use the USB-C cable to connect your laptop and computer for printing. Wireless gaming controller. Customized trigger sensitivity with 2 adjustable positions for faster actions in FPS games or smooth control in racing games, thanks to the Hall effect linear triggers. Enhance your controller's versatility with thumbsticks that can be detached and reattached at different angles and heights, catering to your personal playstyle and ergonomic needs. Achieve virtually no input lag with a 1000 Hz polling rate in both wired and 2.4 grams wireless modes, ensuring your every command is registered with speed and precision for a competitive edge in gaming. Public computer routers. Slate 7's touchscreen interface lets you scan QR codes for quick Wi-Fi, monitor speed in real time, toggle VPN on divided by off, and switch providers directly on the display. The Slate 7 is an ideal portable internet device perfect for international travel. With its mini size and travel-friendly features, the Pocket Wi-Fi router is the perfect companion for travelers in need of a secure internet connectivity on the go, in which includes hotels or cruise ships. Car phone holder. This car phone holder features a 360 degrees rotating base and 210 degrees dual-axis folding metal arms, allowing easy angle adjustments to suit your needs. Whether in the car or at the office, switch between portrait and landscape modes effortlessly. Its unique folding design reduces the mount size by 50% when not in use, keeping your space tidy. Professional wireless microphone. Our dual wireless microphone, completely free from the shackles of the wire, 65 feet of stable audio signal transmission without cables. Lavalier microphone. You can simply clip the microphone on your clothes to free your hands and record at a distance. PQRQP mic is ideal for scenarios like live streaming, vlogging, and outdoor recording. The mini microphone with high sensitivity microphone head, omnidirectional sound reception, clear recording of each and every detail of the sound so that the sound sounds better than the radio. Public computer routers. Surpassing the mediocre performance of most VPN routers for home usage, the Barrel AX is capable of hosting a VPN server and VPN client at the same time within the same device, enabling users to remote access local network resources like Wi-Fi printers or local web servers, and accessing the public internet as a VPN client simultaneously. The Barrel AX is an ideal pocket Wi-Fi device, perfect for international travel. With its compact size and travel-friendly features, the portable Wi-Fi router is the perfect companion for travelers in need of a secure internet connectivity on the go. Enhanced wireless Bluetooth controller. Immerse yourself in captivating universe exploration with the EasySMX X15 controller's unique RGB lighting design. Featuring 7 adjustable colors, the RGB indicator light transports you into the Starfield game world. Plus, the lights can be turned off for added flexibility. Say goodbye to interruptions during your gaming sessions. EasySMX X15 controller is equipped with a 1000 mAh upgraded battery that offers up to 20 hours of gameplay on a single charge. With extended battery life, you can immerse yourself in gaming for longer without worrying about running out of power. Wireless lavalier microphones. Achieve seamless recording with our plug. Play 3 inches, 1 wireless lavalier microphone, compatible with a wide range of devices including USB-C, Lightning, and 3.5mm jack. The LED display shows device status at glance, making setup intuitive. Switch effortlessly between 3 audio modes with multifunctional lavalier mic by button. Noise reduction for clear audio in noisy environments, reverb for enhancing vocals in small spaces, and mute to avoid recording unwanted content. Magnetic wireless charging station. The MagSafe travel charger stand can be folded into a wireless charging pad smoothly and stored in your bag or carrying luggage, making it an ideal companion for your travels or business trips. The portable travel wireless MagSafe charger for multiple devices suitable for office, library, home, travel, and other occasions. Compact size, well-built, fast charging, space-saving, exactly what you need. Car mount. Enjoy complete flexibility with 360 degrees rotation and a 3-axis adjustable arm, allowing you to position your phone exactly how you want it, whether on your car dashboard, windshield, or desk. MagSafe magnetic attachment makes mounting and unmounting your phone a breeze, with one-hand operation in just 1 second, no more fumbling with traditional mounts. Magnetic phone ring holder. You can securely attach your phone to the MagSafe magnetic phone ring holder with just one finger, experiencing a strong hold that resists shaking or movement. The magnetic force can be enhanced by 5 times when used with the provided metal ring. Multi-angle adjustment provide flexible and comfortable hand grab and excellent viewing angle. This ring holder is tested to withstand over 6,000 times of folding without getting loose, greatly improving durability.